Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best inflatable paddle boards that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sportstuff Adventure stand-up paddleboard. This amazing inflatable paddle board is another great option for potential buyers. Providing you with a stand-up option which is backed by this inflatable paddle board's anti-skid EVA pads, this board will prevent you from falling over. Handling up weights of up to 250 pounds, this inflatable paddle board is manufactured using top-quality materials. A pressure gauge, valve wrench, backpack, fin, board leash, high-pressure hand pump, removable seat and stainless steel toe ring to complete the accessories that come with this board. The interesting part of this item is the removable seat, which you can attach or detach, as preferred, allowing your little one to also ride the waves with you on your leisurely paddling trip. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Airtec inflatable stand-up paddle board. With the capability of handling weight up to 275 pounds, this inflatable paddle board is ready to take you on an adventure. If you like to go off course, this board is the best for you. It also comes with additional space where you can store the things that you would need for an added adventurous thrill. Manufactured using military-grade PVC and measuring 6 inches in thickness, this board is not likely to get chipped or scratched anytime soon. A paddle, backpack, and hand pump complete the accessories that come with this board. Also, a 30-day guarantee and a 1-year warranty on materials are provided by the company. At number 3, we have the iRocker inflatable cruiser stand-up paddle board. Since this board can handle weight up to 350 pounds, it can be used by many people belonging to different weights. A wide tail and a spread thickness make this board more stable. This inflatable paddle board is designed for fast movement. Also, only half the board has a psi of 15, which makes it hard to chip or damage. The fiberglass paddle is also half the weight of an aluminum paddle, thus preventing damage. It can also be turned into a kayak paddle with blades on each side. You can dismantle the board into 3 parts, making it easy to store or carry around. The dual-action hand pump by iRocker inflates your board within seconds. Just switch to single action when this board is about to be completely ready. A large bag makes it convenient to carry the board and the accessories with additional space for storing more gear. Also, the warranty provided by iRocker has got you covered. At number 2, we have the Tower Paddle Board's inflatable stand-up paddle board. You can inflate this board to either 10 or 15 psi. It all depends on the amount of stiffness you want on your board or how rigid you like your board to be. Moreover, this inflatable paddle board can bear a maximum weight of 350 pounds, thus making it one of the most durable boards present in the market. It is manufactured using military-grade PVC, thus not allowing it to crack or subject to damage. A 2-year warranty by the manufacturer is also provided. It measures 9 feet and 10 inches and is perfect for cruising or even fishing. Easy to carry and store, this board is accompanied by a paddle, pump, and 3-piece adjustable fiberglass paddle, allowing you to adjust it according to your height. And finally, at number 1, we have the Atoll foot inflatable stand-up paddle board. Manufactured using dual PVC layer, it provides a stable ride and also makes the board 30% lighter as compared to similar inflatable paddle boards. A 3rd-generation Bravo dual-action hand pump, repair kit, front and back bungee system, travel backpack and waist strap complete the accessories that come with this inflatable paddle board. Also, the fins provide flexibility as they are compatible with all fin boxes. You need not worry about lost screws or other components. A tough 10-inch poly flex leash on the backpack makes it easy to carry, and its large capacity allows you to fit in the inflatable paddle board along with the accessories. Being 32 inches wide and 11 feet long, the board has been certified by the ISUP as being of good quality. The board can bear weights of up to 300 pounds. The tri-fin also makes it an easy track. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.